Hi, so here we have my bucket. As many of you guys know, my good buddy here, Andy, have been nominated to do the ice bucket challenge by his son and also Jake, but he somehow let the time pass, so he'll be making a good donation to the Michael Wong Foundation as a penalty. Okay, and also I think ice water is a little too easy, so we're gonna do our first boiling water challenge. Okay, just to show you guys, this is real hot water. Okay, so doing okay. Okay, so Andy gonna be happy to fulfill his hot water challenge. And just a couple of notes, okay? People, do not try this at home, and I don't think Andy will be nominating anybody to do this challenge. Okay, all right, here we go. Hot boiling water challenge. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, okay. Oh, oh.